Hello guys, welcome to AN Retirement. In this video, we are going to drive Z4 car in Padang to Bukit. Now we are playing Bus Simulator Indonesia. You can see. Now we are driving Z4 car, BMW Z4. The interior is awesome. You can see they did it awesome. It's realistic. There are one, two, three. Yeah, this car is comfortable. Oh, front, this thing is opening. See, the engine is big. You can see it. Oh, almost every doors are opening. Yeah, everything is opening. Boot behind the here is opening, and the two doors are opening, and the front is opening. Don't know its name. The car is very small. You can see it's like a hatchback car. It's very small. It's like it's small than Swift car. This car is available in India, but it's very rare. No one will buy it. Now we are in Padang. We are going to Bukit Tinggi. The car is very easy to drive. It's nice. I think the car is very fast because it's a convertible car and a sports car. It's a two-seater car. That's why it's very small. But two-seater cars will also be big, but this car is very small. I don't know why. We will go straight. Why we need to talk a lot? I think in the front the beach will come. You can see all amazing places, awesome places in Padang video. You can see this hotel in that video. And also the beach in the video. The beach is in the front. The game is awesome, and these places are awesome. They look like real, but they need to less so many vehicles because a lot of vehicles are there. I kept the vehicle mode as low, but still a lot of cars and buses and trucks are coming. If I keep it high, that's it. A lot of cars and trucks and buses will come. Even bikes. Bikes are not at all coming. So same speed like this Civic Cope SI is 2012 model, uploaded yesterday. You can see also that video. We will go fast. But something was there. Oh, I think we are going in the wrong way. Yeah, we have a road now. We need to see it. We didn't see. And this was the way. We didn't see it, so we didn't. It's like a highway, but there are some house buildings. Pizza Hut shop was there. There's a school over here. I don't know what is it. Call it a school. Yeah, the Padang is over. Padang is very small place. Yeah, we came to Sitin Jau Loik. I can't spell it correctly. We'll go. This place is awesome. I love this place in Bus Simulator Indonesia. It's fully greenish. It looks like Kerala in India. There are also drainage thing in the side. What are that? So I added that key there in middle. You can see it over here also. Right? Yeah, it is a drainage one. It's a dark green color, you can see. Don't go inside. If we go inside, we can't come up. We should waste our money. We went almost inside, but God helped us, so we didn't go inside. This car is very easy to drive. It's going also very fast. This place is fantastic. Oh, we have slope. No, not slope. Something is there. Wait, we'll go down. What is that? Oh, it's like a bridge. It's going up. It's like a hill. We'll park the car over here and try to go inside that. Don't park it in the drainage. You should. Please. We almost. What is this? We can't go up. I don't know why. Okay, we'll drive the car. This is the hard place to go up in some cars which is very slow. Oh, what happened? Oh, I didn't even click the brake. For brake, I clicked the front going thing. The bike was almost going to fall, but I didn't. I don't know why. And there was a traffic over there. I made a way to go, everyone. I forgot and clicked the front going button, so it dashed the bike which was like that. How it is full of drainage, you can see. Now it stopped. Again it will start, I think. Oh, now the car was very fast. Oh, no. Yeah, we didn't go. This place is very unsafe. We almost went to fall down. We need to keep a fence over there. And even that side, if we fall this side. Wait. Oh, we are going off-road. If we can't come up, that's it. We can't play this game. We should again restart it. Oh, whoop. Yeah. Oh, awesome. Wow, there was a big jump and the landing is awesome. This is a off-road car in Bus Simulator Indonesia. This is not at all like a convertible and a sports car. It's like an off-road car. Now again we'll go off-road. Don't go fast. Why we can't go over here? Oh, we are going to a new place. Even I love this place, but it's not named nothing. You can see it's a minus symbol over there. Because nothing, they didn't name anything. Oh, the place is going down, so we are going very fast. Oh, fast. Hey, what is this? It's like money. No, it's not. It's bricks. Oh, we have only 32 liters. We didn't at all see it. But it's okay because we are not driving Kalir. We are driving free mode, right? So we don't need to pay money for it. This place is also same like Kerala. There's a way over here. Pathway, I think, made with mud. They didn't make it. It was made. It's very hard to control because the roads are small and the road is going up and down. Ooh! Something was there. Steps. We'll stop the car over here. Okay. Awesome. Oh, there's a city in the... If we can't go, it will be way. Oh, we can't go. Yeah. We came over here. If we didn't come, what happened? This is making me angry. We can't go this bus stop over here. Why is this? Yeah, we came. Oh, because of me, a big traffic came. Okay, if it comes, what? From here we'll go. It should be successful. I should not go down. If I go down, can't go. Wow. What? I can't go. Only steps? What? They blocked it. It's making me angry. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. We can go from here. What is there over here? Oh, there's a road. Shit. Why did I come over here? Oh, oh, what happened? We're flying. Okay, we should go reverse. In reverse, what cars are there? Oh, truck is there. It stopped over there. I think it is because of me. If I go, don't stop. Stop. Forgot and told don't stop. Okay. We can go that place from here. Go to that place. Again, we need to go down. If we miss the control, we'll fall somewhere because there's no fence over here. Oh, there's a also railway track over here. Don't come. Oh, it didn't crash. Oh, almost we crashed that bus. I think we crashed. Yeah. What is over here? Will car stop the car over here? No, it's not letting me inside. Some problem. They don't let somewhere. Some places. Okay. It's a new place, I think. Okay, guys, finally we came to Bukitinge after a lot of time. I think 20 minutes, 15 minutes, or it can be also 10 minutes. But it will show we ride 1 hour like that in Bus Simulator Indonesia. Oh. We have a petrol pump over here, but we will not do it because we came already to Bukiting. It will not at all use 26 liter. We'll use only 10 liter like that or less than that because we came very near. Sorry, we crashed the bike which was going slowly. It's my mistake. Where's the door? Over here? Yeah, it's over here. What it is going inside? I think the bus stand came here. Oh, they kept a very small road. Only 2 cars can go over here. That's a little bit small. Not very small. It's a medium size. But this is small. Yeah, this is small. It's a little smaller than that. But it's small. Now the road is big. Yeah, this is big. What is this? Oh, wow, some building. Okay, the cars are not at all stopping. We can go over here. It's like a house. What is very small. Looks only big, but it's very small. You can see. Oh, only 1 bedroom will come. What? They built this building very small. You can see from top view. It is very small. From front it is looking very big, but in the side it is very small. It's only the car size. You can see. Yeah, it's really the car size. The car is only very small. If it be car size, it is not at all like a house. It's very thin. Oh, there was a football court over here. You can see. In the entrance only football court is there. I think schools are in Basit will be like this. Something's over here. It's like a, I don't know what is it. They kept a statue over there. I don't know who's it. Please don't come in the middle. Then I'll crash you. There's a parlor over here, I think. There's so many houses. Oh, again a lot of time. I think we'll go to the bus stop very fast, but it's taking a lot of time. Oh, 22 liters. Used 5 liter in 5 liter fuel in Bukitingi till now. No, 6. I think it will use 10, like I told. Oh, something was there. It was like a shop. I can't show it. I went front. Fast. It was fast that time. It's going very slow now. Too fast. Just going 150. Go to 200. Then only we'll go very fast. If it goes just this speed, I think it will take 8 liter. We can near to bus stop. Please. We came very near. Yeah, in the front. I told very near. 8 liters is finished from we came to. Oh, the Bukit bus stop is same like this Padang bus stop. You can see. Oh, 9 liters are wasted from coming to Bukit. I told 10, but 9 is finished. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and comment to this video, and also subscribe to AND Entertainment and click that bell button to get all the notifications.